Here, residents at the Chief Albert Luthuli informal settlement in Ekurhuleni are scrambling to salvage their belongings as demolitions continue in a multi-agency crackdown on illegal mining in the area. Community members say several families have been left homeless since yesterday, with some insisting innocent residents have been affected. SANDF members have also been deployed alongside law enforcement authorities. Newsroom Africa's Katlego Schoto is there and is joining us now. Katlego, demolitions are continuing?
Katlego, quite a lot of dust here, as you can see, and that's why we've covered ourselves here. But the demolition of a 3-story home behind me has been underway for a number of hours now, and it is part of the demolitions that are happening here throughout the Chief Albert Luthuli informal settlement in the East Rand in Benoni. And residents are left shocked and shattered in many ways, as so many of them try to collect their belongings. And the question that so many of them are asking is that, why were they not given any notice? Why are these demolitions happening now? Many of them are having a document of temporary housing because they were promised RDP housing at some point or another, and saying now their homes are just being demolished without explanation, and so many of them are just left stunned. So the home that you see behind me, has been demolished for a number of hours now, and the owners of the home left in shock as they tried to collect what little belongings they have left. And so, just like many of the other informal structures around here, are demolished without explanation. And what we gather so far from the residents is that authorities started on Wednesday when it seemed that they were targeting zama-zamas or illegal miners. And now they're shocked when they themselves, many of them are saying that they are South Africans. Now their homes are being demolished and they don't understand why. But I want to bring into the the owner of the 3-story house who's standing with me now, Sis Lindiwe. Sis Lindiwe, perhaps you can tell us, you tried to get some of your belongings out of the house. I mean, are you able to describe what you're feeling now? Did anyone talk to you about what is happening to your home?
Sisi. Akekho umuntu oze ukuthi azositshela. Mabeqala befika Wednesday. Bachithe kwela side elingapha. Mabechitha kulela side elingapha. Sabuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. Bathi baxosha abantu bangaphandle. Cause la esihlala khona kunamazamazama. So kune crime too much. Amaphoyisa akakwazi ungena, nama ambulance akwazi ungena. So sathi ke thina ngoba nathi vele lempilo esiphilayo asiyithandi, siyabonga. The following day beze ngapha bafaka ama-ex ngawani, siyabuza phela ezumphakathi bathi yilaba esizobachithela. So nawe mawungena phepha lestand sakho, iproof ukuthi istand sakho siyachithela. So sabuza ukuthi nichithele kanjani kwaba boqala, because baba la South Africa khona abala South Africa. But hayi umeya ngazi umeya noba ubani uthe mabazochitha yonke le ndawo, because akusekho umuntu wa la South Africa, kunabantu bangaphandle. Asiyethuwa uthi guys sikhona, wathi asegroundini siphethe amaphepha. Masifike egroundini kuthiwa yiyani emageyithini wena unolinda khona. Siyabuya sime emageyithini abasitsheli lutho. Izolo bavele bafika sebesithi khipha okukhiphayo siyachitha. Sithe sisakhipha kwabe kuthiwa nansi next door phumani. Izinto zethu nje nizibona lapha sizikhuphe manje, ezinye asilalanga, ngize ngilimele.
This one, please just tell us again about the time it took ukuthi you built this house over a number of years and all the work you put into this house.
Le ndlu ngiyenze for 3 years. Downstairs ngiyenze 1 year full. Second floor 1 year full. Third floor 1 year full. Isikostile because bengenamanzi besingena drain. Bekufanele sisigubhele indawo esizokwazi ukuthi nje senza lendlu sifuna phela nokuphila impilo engcono siflashe sizenzele yabona lezi zinto ezilapha phansi la emva kwabo i-drain yethu eyenza ukuthi makunetha amanzi angene pha aye ngapha ayochithekela phi ngapha ngoba vele izitamkoko zabo ziyavuza izojoyina lesi sitamkoko esivuzayo but amanzi kuphela lesiwasha ngawo izitsha nawo emvula ayojoyina and then ngapha emuva sigubhile futhi 2 meter umgodi ukushona ezansi ukuthi sizoflash sothi masiflasha udoti uye khona ngoba kunamatraki angenayo ayasiklinela lapho ke ithatha because yinde ithatha 2 months basidrainela after 2 months after 2 months after 2 months.
So Siswam, tell me, did you have an approved plan for lendlu?
Yes, ikhona lebe bengiskema ngayo bengafuna ukungiphi istem ngibacela beze ezindlini omnyathi ngizokwenzela kanjani ngenzela kanjani esayidini uyabona inayo iplan yona sisi neplan yokuqala sisahlala emkhukhwini yadliwa magundwane nayo neplan nes2 yileke sesiprotect ukuthi nje sakha angithi kuyavulwa ibona ukuthi kuqhubeka kanjani ikhona nayo sabona ukuthi hayi ithi sibambe kahle.
And I guess the last one, Sis Lindiwe, where to from here? Niaphi as a family?
Hayi sisa sinandawo